I got some more for Toluco. He don't like her. One of my subscribers.
You know, I don't think the gut would have the name that it's got, or people would know about it near as much as if it wasn't for you.
Man, they
You know what I mean? Like you brought that track out.
yeah, what they say to override that, I already done heard what they say to override. They always say the other streamer that's up there always there you go, Toluco.
Shit. Bullshit.
He's talking about hey.
Well, he's got a nice ass in.
What?
Yeah, no shit.
That's all he always say.
My
That's
dude's got a hell of ass.
Why he say that? I don't know why he be saying that. But they be saying that the other dude, since he got a bigger following than me, that they feel like he the one who showed a good track to everybody, and that's why it's popular, or you know what I'm saying? It's not because of me. I just be like, all right, I don't give a damn what y'all saying. You know, they be acting like I'm in straight competition with somebody, but there's a lot of people I know do come and say, yeah, man, I ain't know about it till I seen your channel. You know,
right?
A lot of people tell me that all the time, so I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. I'm cool with the ones that found me and found Yellow Belly for it. And I'm cool with the other ones too. A lot of people say they wouldn't know about the good if it wasn't for me. They say that's a different environment that they don't, you know, a lot of people in different states and cities, they don't got no track like that where racing their Corvette, they 98 Corvette with a cam in it, or where they racing they people that get in the race, they F-body Trans Am that drove it to the track with AC or Camaro, they ain't, you know,
with their partner in the car with them too.
Yeah. You know how where you see people just drive their cars. People like when I go out of town, people who got them type of cars, they just be badass cars that they just be sitting in the parking lot that can't get no race because it ain't nowhere for them to race.
Yeah.
So I see that a lot of times.
Yeah, the gut's one of a kind for real.
Yeah.
The atmosphere, that's obviously that's what I like about it. That's more my type people too, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I like when I get there, everybody be it's wild. I like that wild feeling. It's like going to the club a little bit. Like I like going to the club, you know, and just feeling the atmosphere when it feel good and you feeling good, and I just like that feeling. And Yellow Belly give me one of them feelings like I can do whatever I want. Like, like I can, if I want to drink, hell, I can go too far and I'm still all right. Like, it's good. It's good. But they've been doing me good at XRP, y'all. That's what they just said. You know, I got my own drink at XRP, Happy.
Hell yeah.
What is it?
What is it?
It's called the Lookout.
The Lookout?
What you got in it?
Yeah,
what's it consist of?
It's the red and the green mixed with a shot of Hennessy.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, it's the red. People come from all over the world, California, man, everywhere. People, man, Austin, they be coming everywhere. They get the Lookout drink. They be Clyde just made it to where I get a discount on it now.
Hell yeah, that's what's up.
I get a discount on my own drink, so I feel good about that.
I like the tracks with the bars and shit. Like, yeah, I like that shit.
I like that. I like people be coming telling, man, this a badass drink. Look out.
Hell yeah.
I don't know where I learned it from, but yeah, it's a badass drink. You don't really get to taste the Henny. It's real good, man.
Hell
you
yeah.
Just need Happy, you probably just need one if you drink.
I don't even drink for real.
You don't drink it. Limpy, you take a sip every now and then?
No, okay. He's not a drinker.
Well,
we smoke a little bit.
I'm a smoker.
I be smoking a little bit too. I be doing both. That's when I really feel like I'm in the zone at the track. I be, oh shit, god damn. Hey, put a song on in this vid. Did y'all see that dude that drove in the field of crops?
Where was that?
His car wouldn't stop. It keep going. Yeah, his car wouldn't stop.
Oh boy.
He went over the sand trap, off into the field, way about another quarter mile out. Messed up all the people, plants, crops, it was a soybean farm. He messed up the whole soybean farm.
How do you like the new Jesse James Camaro?
That's a bad motherfucker. Hey, they brung it
bad
out,
motherfucker.
and it's already flying. And bro, they testing tunes or whoop some of these cars.
Yep. Bad motherfuckers right there. That's some of my people.
I'm wondering if they gonna be able to get some grudge races. Like,
yeah, they will.
With them.
They will.
Who you think gonna try to?
I mean, guys, you know, some of the big name grudge racers that come out of town, they're getting that car ready for No Guts, No Glory. That's like the Super Bowl grudge racing down in Orlando.
Ooh, that's my favorite one.
Yep, that's the shit down there. That's where I went and raced every year. That was like my Super Bowl every year. But them boys got their shit going on. You know, they're slick, man.
Yeah, they is.
They're slick.
Dang.
They're top of the food chain. They know what's up.
I'm ready to go to No Guts, No Glory. That's one of the best events. I be getting tipped.
That's the best. Yep, you can spend all week down there. They start on Monday. They start testing on Monday.
I never did that. You did that before?
Yeah, that's my main shit. I got some YouTube videos of me down there.
On a Monday.
They start on Monday testing tuning. So all the big wigs with badass cars, they'll rent the track Monday and Tuesday. And then you're ready for the weekend. So Friday and Saturday nights, like the main events. I mean, 2 years ago there was $150,000 a side grudge race. $300,000. They said they're gonna leave the track and go buy them a damn house.
Yeah. When to get to buy a house?
That's like real shit, man. They was in the trailers with money counters.
Oh, we got Brian Witherspoon. That's
my boy Rick.
Yeah, that's my boy, y'all. Muffler man. Y'all need some mufflers or something. That's why all the other people, they got a whole bunch of money and they build a nice ass car. They take their car and get the exhaust done at the Muffler King. That's what my car at, y'all. That's what my car at. I'm up there get some exhaust. I'm gonna have a button. I'm gonna be hitting a button and open the electric cutouts on that thing. That mother on that Caprice. I might pick up a 10, but I know I'm gonna get a lot more attention. I'm finna do some different videos, man. I'm finna do some different shit.
I like the word.
I'm finna start going back downtown. I'm gonna start going back downtown with them electric cutouts open and scare the shit out of people. I'm gonna get me some views.
Man, you need to get out on the street some. Like some real street shit, man.
Fast enough, man.
I mean, just get out and film and hang out and see that lifestyle.
They'll never call me. All these people that I be knowing be talking about look out. They'll never hit me up. I guess they be saying, I'll tell them I won't go live if that's the problem.
Yeah, I mean, it's a secret society shit that we do, but man, you need to get out there for real. Like
I'm trying to go.
That should have changed your life.
I told this one dude, I said, hey man, they don't be telling me. He was like, I'm gonna tell you. And next time, motherfucker got out the car, he didn't tell me shit. I was waiting on the message the next day. Oh yeah, they're gonna be doing it, buddy.